Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a ice box which is for vaccination carrying vaccination small box. It has inside there is a two ice packs are there. You have to freeze these packs in the freezer, and then you can put one below this and one you can put the vaccination inside, and then you can put another one on the top, or you can keep on the two sides of these two. Maybe the vaccination is small, though you can put it here. And then when you have this is closing, working is there, how it is to be kept, there are some papers, how many time it can be used, what is the utility, and very easy. And then this is to be covered by this one strip is there, so you have to close it, keep it like this, and then this is a carrying belt is provided, very easy. This is CFC free, this is for carrying your vaccination box. You can carry it and take it anywhere in the for vaccination in the field. Please visit the website, and this is you can send an abron01@gmail.com email and www.abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 94160200018. Very easy to use. Please visit the website and share and like the videos. Thank you very much.